Hello all of you. Are you also a direct second year student? So here is the truth that nobody tells you. Direct second year engineering sounds very exciting, but the reality can be a little different. You enter directly into second year while your classmates have already completed their first year. So naturally, if you look at this, you may feel like you are missing some basics or struggling to adjust. But remember one thing, you already have a diploma behind you and you have to just use as an asset. Now the goal is very simple. Use what you already know, identify what you are missing and build from there. Now, what actually changes when you enter through DSY? First, there is no first year buffer to all of us. If your basics in programming, mathematics or any subject are not clear, you may feel the gap when engineering subjects start. Second, there is a peer gap. Some classmates may already know the college environment, coding or certain subjects. Third, your diploma is actually an advantage to you. You have already experienced technical education and practical experiences, practical learning. So don't waste time thinking that I am behind all of them. Instead of this, just ask to yourself, what do I need to learn from right now? Now, here is a practical 5-step strategy that I would recommend to every DSY student. First is, bridge your basics. Don't study the entire first year syllabus. Please don't do that. Identify the concepts that are required for your current subjects and revise those only. Second is, code regularly. Even one coding problem a day is enough to build consistency. Third is, get involved. Talk to your seniors, participate in clubs and hackathons and more competitions and understand what's actually happening around you. So that is nothing but network building. Fourth is, build projects. Don't just learn theory. Take what you know from your diploma and engineering subjects and build something small but really meaningful and useful. And the fifth and the most important, think about placements early from your second year. Start improving your coding, your communication, your soft skills, your projects from second year itself. You don't have to become placement ready immediately, but I just want to try to tell you that you just don't wait until third year to start, right? If you want to remember just one thing from this video, remember this: consistency plus confidence plus curiosity is nothing but DSY success. Consistency means showing up every day. Confidence means not getting discouraged when you struggle. And curiosity means asking yourself, why don't I understand this topic? How can I improve? What should I learn next? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving forward and forward only. And finally, one thing I really want every DSY student to remember. Don't compare, just compete with yourself. Someone may know more coding than you today. Someone may have better marks. Someone may have good communication skills. Someone may already have projects. That's okay. Your competition is with the version of you from yesterday. If today you understand one concept more, solve one more problem or improve one more skill, you are moving forward in that way. I was a DSY student too, so I know that the beginning can feel very difficult, but just trust me, the journey behind this might be very difficult, but the tomorrow is very brighter. But your starting point doesn't decide where you finish. So your consistency does. So make the most of your DSY journey. And if you are a direct second year student, make sure to like this video, share this video with your DSY friends and subscribe to CodePath if you found this helpful. Thank you all of you.